In the previous video, we just went over some weirdo decomposition, and I'm just going to flip it. So weirdo decompositions, if you flip them around, they're weirdo synthesis. So remember, a synthesis typically is one thing reacting with another thing, and they form a compound. Remember this idea of two individual things forming a single thing. That's usually pretty straightforward. If you take a look at decomposition, we're going to take an example of calcium carbonate. Now in the previous video, we looked at that and we realized there's special rules for that. And since this is the metal, it's going to break apart into a metal oxide plus CO2. And what that means is that that's going in this direction. But we can also flip it around and go this direction. So if you ever see CaO plus CO2, you're going to get, guess what? CaCO3. Yeah? Similarly, when we start off with something like calcium hydroxide, CaOH in parentheses 2, it broke apart into a metal oxide plus H2O. What if we flip it? Wouldn't that now be CaO plus H2O goes to CaOH in parentheses 2? So these are examples, and this one right here, whenever you have a metal oxide, that's going to be the most common one you're going to see if you see it on a quiz or a test, is a metal oxide plus water. And as long as you memorize the three different decomposition ways of doing it, this should be straightforward for you. Hopefully this has helped.